So let's get right into it. If you know about Korean skincare, the whole 10 steps skincare routine, yes, I did it, and because I like pampering my skin, and to be fair, my skin really needed it. So I'm gonna go through like every single step and what I got for that step. So the first thing I got was this the All Clean Balm Heimish, I believe that's what they're called. Oh my god, this, wait till my next video, but this is the first thing I use because I do the double cleansing. And then I follow up with this powder. So this is a powder, I don't know if you can see it, yeah. It's a powder wash, and that's my second cleanser, so it's like powdery. And it's Enzyme Power Wash, Real Effect Cleansing Powder for keeping your healthy skin in the best condition. This is also some good stuff. So those are my cleansers, and then the third thing the other cleanser I got was this one from Kosh. Is it Kosh? Yeah, Cosrx. Yeah, it's the Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. This is also boom.com. Love it. I'll show you how I use it in my next video. Oh, this sun, please forgive me, guys. So I'm gonna go into my toners. As you can see, I am nearly out, but I love this. This is the Secret Key as well, that's the brand. It's the Milk Brightening toner. Absolutely love this stuff. It's amazing, and it's lasted me 2 months, so we're near enough 2 months, and I need to get a new one. So that's my first ever toner. And then I follow up with this toner by Klairs. OMG, this. It says it's the Supple Preparation Facial Toner Moisturizing Skincare Program. This stuff is amazing. I didn't realize that the sample was going to be so small. I would have just gone for the bigger one, but amazing. So I'm going to be getting the bigger bottle. So once I'm done with the toner, I go in my essences. And the essence that I bought was this Secret Key starting treatment essence. Then I follow up with that. And then if I'm going to exfoliate, I would exfoliate before I do my essences. So the exfoliators that I picked up is this bad boy. Don't know if you can see it, I'll put pictures up. This is also from Secret Key. It's the Lemon Sparkling Peeling Gel. Oh my god, this stuff, I'll go into more depth in my next video, but it's so amazing, so gentle yet so effective. This is just bomb. And the second one that I got was the Skin Food one. So this is the Skin Food Rice Mask Wash Off. This is also good as well. I do like it. It's very mild, but I use it interchangeably with the lemon one. So once I've exfoliated, that's when I've washed it off, that's when I'll go in with my essences, which I've just shown you. And then once I've used this essence, I will follow up with a serum. So with a serum, I used to use the CF Nest 97. I think this is hyaluronic acid, and for some reason I don't know why I picked up this one as well. It's also the same thing, and I don't use this one because I feel like it's a little bit stickier than this. So this I haven't used this, so I'm ready to give it away. If anyone wants it, just drop me a message in the comment section. But yeah, I'll follow up with either this or my favorite, also from Klairs. This is the Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drops. Oh my god, love this. Klairs, you're amazing. So I'll use that, on my skin and just, you know, pat it in, get it really absorbed into the skin. It just feels so good. It's like a pampering session for me. I can't wait to do it tonight. And then I will follow up with my moisturizer. And the moisturizers that I use, I have 3. So I started with the Elizavecca one. It was the Elizavecca Donkey Steam one. This is how it looks. It's such cute packaging, oh my god. So I used this one especially at winter, and it was just beautiful in winter time. But when it came to summer, it was just a little bit too heavy. So I opted for the Innisfree green tea moisture cream, maize ball. So I use this one when I do my routine in the morning. This is what I use. And at night time, again, it's Klairs again. It's not sponsored video, it's not an ad, but I love Klairs. I picked up their Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Oh, calming. That's the emphasis. Calming. It literally calmed down all of my stubborn acne. This stuff is amazing. Again, I'll go into more depth in my next video. And then once I've done all that, I'm near enough done. But again, as I said, I suffered from loads of post acne sort of marks and hyperpigmentation. So I picked up this Centella Blemish cream. Oh, that's also by Cosrx. Oh my god, this stuff has lightened my dark spots so tremendously. I have a makeup on today. My next video, I'll make sure when I'm doing my skincare routine, obviously I won't have makeup on, and I'll put pictures here if I have any. But this stuff is amazing at clearing spots. So if I have a spot like this one, it was here like yesterday. The minute I put it on, a couple of days, it will be gone. So love it, and it will get rid of the mark as well. And it's not harsh, it's just very creamy. Love it to bits. And yeah, so that's that for the I think that's it for Yesstyles. I do mix and match the products that I got from Yesstyles, and I do use the Ordinary brand as well. So I'll do a separate video on that one, but basically I thought I'd come here and share some of the products that I got from their website and I have been using for the past 2 months, and it's just been amazing. Their website is so easy to maneuver. It's just so easy to locate things. They have reviews on there, so you can read and see what people have scored these things, have rated these products. And other than that, they also have their shipping is spot on. Is very quick. It doesn't take that long, because I was getting quite impatient. I just wanted this to clear, but it didn't take that long. It was something that I could deal with. I think it was like 5 to 7 working days or something like that, which is bearable. And I think it came before, so wasn't gonna complain. So yeah, thank you guys. I'm sorry about the lighting. This sun is just trying to let me glow, you know. I am not even gonna complain, because in the UK we don't get some sun. But for the video purposes, I am very sorry if this was something that was uncomfortable for you, but I still hope that you got something out of this video. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, stay fabulous and God bless. Bye.